Hello everyone, welcome to all in this video lecture series of Database Management System. I am Deepak Aneja, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, I will cover the DBMS Unit 3, Database Design and Normalization. In this video, I will briefly describe the topic covered in this unit. This is very important unit as per university exam, as per GATE exam, NET as well as placement point of view. So these are the topics of unit database design and normalization, which will help us to understand how to design a database, how to normalize the data in the tables, in the relation. Normalization means to remove or reduce the redundancy or duplicacy. To understand this concept, first we have to understand the concept of functional dependencies. Functional dependencies are how the one attribute in a relation or table is functionally dependent on the another attribute of the relation. Then we will understand the concept of attribute closure, how to calculate the attribute closure. Then we will understand the concept of normalization, normal forms, that is given by EF code, father of DBMS. He gives the description about first normal form, then second normal form, then third normal form, then BCNF. BCNF is the special uh, normal form of third normal form. At the BCNF, we can say that our database is completely normalized, our relation, our table is completely normalized. Then we will understand the concept of normalization using functional dependencies. Then we will understand the concept of cover and equivalence of functional dependency. Then how to calculate, how to find the minimal cover or canonical cover. Then uh, to reduce the redundancy, we will decompose the table. That decomposition will be lossless or lossy. What is this lossless joint decomposition? We will understand in this. Then there is the concept of fourth normal form, multi-valued functional dependency. Then there is fifth normal form. This is also called project normal form. These are the references that have been used for this subject. Disclaimer. Then thanks for watching this video. Thank you.